Hello, good morning everybody. Okay, today I am going to teach operation on polynomial. Okay, in which we will study the sum and difference of polynomials. Understood? So let's see. Suppose we have two polynomials fx and gx. Understood? Suppose we have two polynomials fx and gx, then their sum is denoted by fx plus gx, and their difference is denoted by fx minus gx. Understood? Are you clear? If two polynomials fx and gx, then their difference is denoted by fx plus gx, which is again a polynomial. Understood? When adding any two polynomial. When adding any two polynomial, then we get their sum is also polynomial. Understood? So sum of fx and gx is fx plus gx is also a polynomial, and their different is also polynomial. Understood? Okay. Let's see. Suppose we have fx equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 5, and another polynomial gx equal to 5x plus 1. Then their sum is denoted by fx plus gx equal to fx equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 plus the value of gx equal to 5x plus 1. Then we can add only like terms. Understood? So 2x squared and 3x plus 5x. 3x and 5x are like terms, so we can add 3x plus 5x. 5 3 8x. Understood? And 5 and 1 are also like term. Then 5 plus 1 6. Understood? Okay. Let's see. Understood? Here we have two polynomials fx equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 5. Understood? Which is polynomial. And another polynomial gx equal to 5x plus 1. Then sum of fx and gx is denoted by fx plus gx. Okay, fx plus gx equal to what? 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 plus 5x plus 1. Then we get 2x squared and 3x plus 5x 8x plus 5 plus 1 6, which is also polynomial. Yes, its degree 2 or its exponent 2, which is whole number, and its exponent is also whole number, which is 1. Its exponent is 0, which is whole number, so it is also polynomial, which is a polynomial. Understood? Are you clear? The sum of any polynomials is also polynomial. Understood? कुनै दुईटा पोलिनोमियलको अथवा कुनै पोलिनोमियल्सहरुको सम पनि के हुन्छ? पोलिनोमियलै हुन्छ. Understood? Okay. then its degree is 2. Understood? Degree of fx is 2 and degree of gx is 1. Then what is the degree of sum of f and g? Can you find? Okay. Here, suppose we have fx equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 and gx equal to 5x plus 1. Then we have to find degree of sum of the f and gx. So first of all you should find sum of fx and gx, then sum of f and gx, fx plus gx. We get 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 plus 5x plus 1 equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 6, 5 plus 1, 6. It is the sum of f and gx. So therefore the degree of the sum, of fx and gx is, what is the highest power in this polynomial? Its exponent is 2 or power is 2, its 1, its power is 0, so its highest power is 2, therefore the degree of this polynomial is 2. The degree of the sum of fx and gx is 2. Understood? Can you find the degree of sum of the polynomial? Okay, I think you can find. So now let's go difference of two polynomials. You know difference? Yeah. Difference of two polynomials is denoted by, suppose we have fx and gx are two polynomials, then their difference is denoted by fx and gx. So how to find their difference? Okay, here we have fx equal to what? 2x squared, fx equal to 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 and gx equal to, here gx equal to what? 5x plus 1, 5x plus 1. Then the difference of f and fx and gx is denoted by fx minus gx. Therefore fx minus gx, we get fx, value of fx is 2x squared plus 3x plus 5, then minus, after minus put the brackets. Understood? Okay, after minus we should put a small brackets or curly brackets. Okay, 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 minus 5x plus 1. Then 2x squared plus 3x plus 5 minus 5x minus 1. Then 2x squared, 3x minus 5x minus 2x plus 5 minus 1, 4. This much. This is the also polynomial, and which is the difference of fx and gx. Understood? Okay. Here difference of fx and gx is also, degree of the difference of fx and gx is 2. Its highest power is 2, so its degree is 2. Understood? Then we can say the degree of the difference of fx and gx is 2. The degree of the difference of fx and gx is 2. Understood? The degree of the difference of fx and gx is 2. Are you clear? Okay, now let's go properties of sum of polynomial. Okay, now property of sum of polynomial. Understood? Okay, properties of sum of polynomial. We have 5 properties, or there are 5 properties of sum of polynomial. First, closure property. Understood? Then second, commutative. Understood? Commutative property. Okay, then third, associative property. Then fourth, additive identity. Understood? Additive identity property. Additive identity property. Then 5. There are 5 properties of sum of polynomial. At last, additive inverse. Additive inverse. All are the properties of sum of polynomial. Understood? Okay, now what is the closure property? What is the commutative property? Associative property, additive identity property, and additive inverse property. Okay, suppose we have 2 here. Suppose we have 2 polynomials. If fx equal to 2x plus 1 and gx equal to 5x plus 2 are any 2 polynomials. Understood? Okay, we have 2 polynomials, fx and gx. Fx equal to 2x plus 1 and gx equal to 5x plus 2 are any 2 polynomials. Then fx plus gx equal to 2x plus 1 plus 5x plus 2, we get 5 to 7x plus 2 plus 1, 3, this much. Okay, let's see. Fx equal to 2x plus 1 and gx equal to 5x plus 2, both are polynomial. Then their sum is also polynomial. Understood? Okay, their sum is denoted by fx plus gx. So fx plus gx is also polynomial. Understood? Therefore, then fx plus gx or fx plus gx are properties of sum of polynomial. What? Closure property. In the properties of sum of polynomial, fx plus gx is a closure properties because their sum is also polynomial. the sum of any two polynomials is also polynomial, then that is called what? Closure property of sum of polynomial. Understood? So it is closure property. Okay. If fx plus gx is also a polynomial. Understood? If fx plus gx is also a polynomial, then two polynomials fx gx, then if two polynomials fx and gx. Understood? We have two polynomials. If two polynomials are fx and gx, then fx plus gx is also a polynomial. That is called closure properties. इस्तो properties लाई हामी के भन्छौं? Closure properties. Understood? If two polynomials are fx and gx, then fx plus gx is also a polynomial. Understood? यदि दुईटा पोलिनोमियल छ तिनीहरुलाई हामी एड गर्यो भने सम पनि के आउँछ? Their sum is also polynomial. Here two polynomials fx and gx, then sum of fx and gx is denoted by fx plus gx. Fx plus gx is also a polynomial here. See, understood? So closure properties, it is called closure property. Now commutative property. What is the commutative property? Okay, here fx plus gx. What is the value of fx? 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 plus gx 5x plus 2. Understood? So 2x plus 5x 8x. 7x plus 2 plus 1 3. Again now gx plus fx equal to value of gx 5x plus 2 plus value of fx 2x plus 1, then 5x plus 2x 7x plus 2 plus 1 3. Okay, see, let's see, fx plus gx equal to 7x plus 3 and gx plus fx is also 7x plus 3. So both are equal. We can write fx plus, therefore we can write fx plus gx equal to gx plus fx. Understood? Fx plus gx equal to gx plus fx we can write. So this is the commutative property of sum of polynomial. Understood? कुनै दुईटा पोलिनोमियललाई हामी सम निकाल्यो भने कुनै दुईटा पोलिनोमियलको त्यसपछि त्यसलाई अल्टरनेट गरेर फेरि हामी सम निकाल्यो भने दुईटै इक्वल आयो भने त्यस्तो टाइपको प्रोपर्टिजलाई हामी के भन्छौँ कम्युटेटिभ प्रोपर्टिज सो कम्युटेटिभ प्रोपर्टी इज अल्सो satisfy the properties of sum of polynomial. Understood? Okay, so we can write closure properties. Closure properties. You know closure property? Closure property. Closure property means fx plus gx is a polynomial. Understood? Closure properties of sum of polynomial means closure property fx plus gx is a polynomial. Understood? Then commutative properties. Commutative property. Okay. Commutative property fx plus gx equal to gx plus fx. Understood? When two polynomials are satisfied in this condition, then they are called, or this types of properties is called commutative properties of sum of polynomial. Understood? Okay, now let's go associative properties. Associative properties. Suppose we have three polynomials. If fx equal to 2x plus 1, gx equal to x minus 5 and hx equal to 3x minus 1. Understood? If fx equal to 80, gx equal to 80 and hx equal to this much are any three polynomials. Understood? Are you clear? We have if fx equal to 2x plus 1 and gx equal to x minus 5 and hx equal to 3x minus 1 are any three polynomial, then fx plus gx plus hx. We get fx equal to 2x plus 1 plus gx equal to x minus 5, then hx equal to 3x minus 1. Now 2x plus x, 3x. Understood? 2x plus x, 3x. 1 minus 5 minus 4. Now we can add 3x minus 1. We get 3x plus 3x, 6x. Understood? 3x plus 3x, 6x. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. Again. Okay, now fx plus gx plus hx equal to fx equal to 2x plus 1 plus gx x minus 5, okay, x minus 5 plus hx 3x minus 1. At first, you should add x minus 5 plus 3x minus 1. Then 2x plus 1 plus 3x plus x, 4x, minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Okay, now 4x plus 2x, 6x. Understood? 1 minus 6 minus 5. Okay, fx plus dx plus hx equal to 6x minus 5. And fx plus dx plus hx is also 6x minus 5. Then we can write fx plus gx plus hx equal to fx plus gx plus hx. So this property is called associative properties of sum of polynomial. Understood? Okay. Here fx plus dx plus hx equal to fx plus gx plus hx. And यो दुईटै यस्तो कन्डिसनमा पनि हामी एड गर्दा fx पहिला fx र gx एड गरे त्यसपछि हामी hx गर्यौं जति भ्यालु आयो त्यसरी नै पहिला हामी gx र hx एड गरेर लास्टमा fx एड गर्दा त्यसको पनि भ्यालु सेमै आयो भनेपछि दुईटै कन्डिसन इक्वल भयो भने fx plus gx plus hx इक्वल टु fx plus gx plus hx दुईटै कन्डिसन इक्वल हुने कन्डिसनलाई हामी के भन्छौं associative properties of sum of polynomial. Are you clear? Okay, I think you are clear. So let's go additive identity. Okay, now additive identity. Okay, additive identity. Suppose if fx in additive identity, let fx equal to 0 or fx is 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial. You know 0 polynomial whose value is 0. The polynomial whose value only 0. If fx is a 0 polynomial and gx is any polynomial. Understood? If fx is a 0 polynomial and gx is any polynomial, then fx plus gx, we get the value of fx equal to what? 0 polynomial means if fx is 0, that is fx equal to 0. Understood? Are you clear? If fx is a 0 polynomial, then the value of fx will be 0. So fx plus gx, their sum is also gx. Why? Because value of fx equal to 0 plus gx, we get gx. That is called additive identity. You know identity भनेको जस्ताको त्यस्तै भनेपछि यदि हामी दुईटा if the sum of any two two polynomials is one of them is a polynomial gx or fx. Suppose we have two polynomials fx and gx, then their sum is one of them. Understood? If we have two polynomials fx and gx, then their sum is one of them, then that is called additive identity. And कुनै दुईटा पोलिनोमियल को सम हामी गर्दाखेरि त्यसैबाट कुनै एउटा पोलिनोमियल आउँछ भनेपछि त्यस्तो टाइपको हेड और समलाई हामी के भन्छौं एडिटिभ आइडेन्टिटी properties of sum of polynomial. Are you clear? Here fx is a zero polynomial, that is fx, the value of fx is 0, or that is fx equal to 0, and gx is any polynomial, then their sum fx plus gx equal to the value of fx 0, 0 plus gx, we get gx. gx हामी एड गर्यो gx से पायौं भनेपछि यसलाई हामी आइडेन्टिटी भन्छौं. जे हामी युज गर्यौ त्यस्तै रिजल्ट आयो भनेपछि त्यसलाई हामी आइडेन्टिटी भन्छौं. Okay, now additive inverse polynomial, additive inverse property of sum of polynomial. Okay, now suppose we have two polynomial a fx b any polynomial. Understood? If fx be any polynomial and minus fx is the negative or opposite or inverse is the negative polynomial of fx. Okay. Are you clear? So let's see, if fx be any polynomial, fx कुनै polynomial छ, if fx be any polynomial and minus fx is the negative polynomial of fx, minus fx is the negative polynomial of fx, fx को negative polynomial छ, then their sum will be 0. Why? Because they are inverse to each other, or because they are negative and other positive. Okay, now then fx plus minus fx, we get fx minus fx equal to 0. That is called additive inverse property of sum of the polynomial. Understood? यदि हामी दुईटा पोलिनोमियललाई एड गर्दा भ्यालु 0 आयो भने तिनीहरू एक आपसमा एडिटिभ इन्भर्स भयो. Then can you find additive inverse of any polynomial? Very simple. Additive inverse of any polynomial is negative polynomial of the given polynomial. Understood? Okay, suppose we have to find additive inverse or additive inverse polynomial. Okay, suppose here the given polynomial is px. Understood? The given polynomial is px, then additive inverse polynomial of fx. Therefore, the additive inverse polynomial of px is minus px. Understood? Are you clear? The given polynomial is px, then the additive inverse polynomial of px is minus px. Understood? Why? Because their sum is 0. Understood? Are you clear? If the sum of any two polynomials is 0, then they are called additive inverse of two to each other. They are called additive inverse to each other. Are you clear? एक आपस में तिनीहरु के हुन्छ additive inverse. Okay, additive inverse of minus px is also px. So they are vice versa. Px is additive inverse of minus px is additive inverse of px. Are you clear? Okay. There are 5 properties of sum of polynomial. They are first closure properties. Understood? If the sum of any two polynomials is also polynomial, then that is called closure property of sum of polynomial. Understood? Commutative property means suppose like a plus b. Okay, commutative property means a plus b equal to b plus a. Understood? Then associative property, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c, like this. Understood? Closure property means the sum of any two polynomials is also polynomial. Understood? And commutative property means a plus b equal to b plus a, like this. Commutative property. And associative property, a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. And additive identity, a plus b equal to a. Understood? दुईटाको सम एउटा हुन्छ, त्यसलाई हामी भन्छौं एडिटिभ आइडेन्टिटी. And a plus minus a equal to 0, that is called additive inverse. Understood? Okay, I think you are clear. So this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.